Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got a 1995 VolkswagEn Golf Mark 3, and as you can see it's from Moving Parts line of casting by Matchbox. So let's open it up and see how does it look. Before I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I know I don't get that many views, but still, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe it so that you don't miss videos like this. Thank you. So here it is, the Mark 3 Golf by Matchbox, and as soon as I opened it, it looks slightly bigger than other Golfs which Matchbox did. So I'm not sure about the scale. It doesn't mention it anywhere, does it? Not really. So it's definitely not 1:64, which most of the Hot Wheels are not. They're basically Hot Wheels and Matchbox, but this looks bigger than that. But let's forget about that and look at the casting. So starting from the front, oh, by the way, the blue paint job looks good, really good. So you've got detailed headlamps, detailed turn indicators and fog lamps, VolkswagEn weight badge, and a kind of plastic bumper piece in the bottom, which looks really good, really good. Also you can see the mirrors on both the sides, windshield wipers, and a grey interior. I think most of the cars had grey interiors back in the 90s. Coming to the driver's side, and if you can hear any noise in the background, that's my dog snoring. Yeah. The wheels, you might have seen on some recent Matchbox. I do remember this was on Toyota MR2, maybe on some other casting too. Doesn't look very out of place here, but I would have preferred something not chrome. It's a 5-door hatchback. So you've got the 4 doors with door handles, firstly a trunk there, or a hatch there, sorry, not the trunk, a hatch. You can also see a small spoiler on the side. Again, tail lamps are detailed, which you can see from the side. Let's do the back. Again, you've got nice details here, detailed tail lamp, you got the twin exhaust, with the number plate which reads VolkswagEn Golf, you got a spoiler here, and a windshield wiper. Coming to the passenger side, almost identical, the only difference being the fuel filler cap, and no sunroofs. Now, this Golf has the moving part, which is the trunk, or sorry, the hatch, and if you open it up, you can see the small luggage space there. So overall, I think it's a nice casting. Got some good details. I think gray color wheel, which will suit it much better. But again, these don't look bad either. So those are my thoughts, and let me know what you think about the casting. And I apologize for my dog snoring in the background. Thanks for watching.